Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make an Apple ID on Android. Let's get started. First, open a browser on your Android device and go to apply.apple.com. Then, tap Create Your Apple ID. After that, fill your first and last name, birth date, email address, and create strong password. And after that, select your security questions and provide answers. This helps recover your account if you forget your password. Enter the CAPTCHA to prove you're human, then tap Continue. And after that, verify your email address by entering the code Apple sends to your email. Once verified, your Apple ID is ready. You can now sign in to Apple Music, iCloud, and other Apple services on Android. Write down your password and security questions, answer somewhere safe, and you'll need them if you ever forget your Apple ID. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.